first things first though, we gotta make sure that this is actually vegan, so. What's going on, my beautiful people? My name is Alex Garfe, and today we are gonna try the infamous plant-based breakfast sausage sandwich from Dunkin Donuts. So I'm in the drive-thru right now. Let's go ahead and order this thing.
It's a great day, Dunkin. How may I help you?
Hi, could I try the new Beyond Sausage sandwich?
You sure can.
And then can I do it with no egg and no cheese? And then can I put it on just a regular English muffin?
Okay, yeah, it comes on one.
How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
I'm surviving.
Nice. Thank you.
All that wrapped up for you.
Cool, appreciate it. So yeah, if I didn't make it clear, if you guys want this plant-based breakfast sausage sandwich from Dunkin Donuts and you need to make it vegan, make sure you get no egg and no cheese. I got some Light Life bacon at home cooking in the air fryer, so I'm gonna put that on it to make it a real breakfast sandwich. But I will take a bite before just to see how it tastes, but it's really a Beyond Patty breakfast style on an English muffin, so it's gonna be pretty bland. Thank you, appreciate it. Woo-hoo. We got it, let's go. You know, first things first though, we gotta make sure that this is actually vegan, so I gotta pull into one of these parking spots to make sure. All right, they did it, no egg or no cheese. All right guys, let's dig in. So there it is again. I don't know if it's gonna focus on me or the sandwich, but this looks like a regular patty. So we'll take a bite, plain first, see what it tastes like. Wait for this really loud plane to go over. All right, let's take a bite. Is it worth the $4.65? I don't think so, but if you're on the go and you're in a rush, then it's probably a great option for you if you guys have a Dunkin Donuts near you. Definitely recommend everyone to try it, just to try it, because it is pretty tasty. This just in, I just checked Instagram and one of my friends went to Dunkin Donuts to get this Beyond Meat sandwich, and they said a pro tip is to order an English muffin with a side Beyond Meat sausage patty, and that makes it $1.93 with tax, so it's under $2. So if you guys are going to try the sandwich, make sure you use that pro tip. It'll be $2.60 cheaper, which is great, because $4.60 something cents is a little too much for that, in my opinion. So for $2, definitely worth it. Check it out. But of course, you do want to have some more toppings, so I think you could add some ketchup to it. The hash browns at Dunkin Donuts are also vegan as well, so you can get some hash browns. I didn't want to test out everything because I didn't want to eat that much fast food, right? I just wanted to try the sandwich, and that was that. So I'm sure if you had some hash browns and some ketchup along with it, you know, you can make it a little better. But all in all, it's not even that bad. Added the Light Life bacon to it, and it's pretty tasty. It's just a little dry, but what do you expect? There's no sauce or anything on there, so that's my fault. I should have added some ketchup or anything. So I just finished the Beyond Meat breakfast sandwich from Dunkin Donuts, and I must say it was pretty good now that I finished it. I don't really have any bad things to say about it, other than if you want, add some ketchup, add those hash browns like I said before. The flavor of it was pretty good. I think the bacon that I added also made it a lot better, but you know, all in all, if you're on the go and you're in a rush, it's a great option for us vegans. We didn't really have a vegan breakfast option before, so it's pretty cool that we have that now. I definitely recommend you guys to try it if you guys like the Beyond Meat stuff, or if you guys haven't tried it yet. It's now available nationwide. Today's November 6th, so go out and get it if you guys haven't already. Show some support to Beyond Meat, get that demand high so we get more plant-based options in more fast food restaurants. Not a huge fan of fast food, like I said, but if we can get it into the fast food restaurants, get it into the mainstream, then it gets more people that are non-vegan to try these options, and then hopefully sooner or later transition into a more plant-based diet, and that is a win-win for us, for the animals, and for the planet. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. Have you guys tried this sandwich yet? Or if you guys plan on trying it, let me know. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Deuce.